When something is already good, that doesn't mean it can't get better. That's what exactly happened with DaVinci. Like, I really love DaVinci, and that's why I shifted from Premiere Pro to DaVinci. But DaVinci just released a whole new update, which is DaVinci 20, and there are some major upgrades. So in this video, let me show you the things that has changed and made DaVinci even more powerful and better. So let's dive in. The best feature for me has to be the vertical working space. If you are someone who edits reels, shorts, or any type of vertical content, you are going to love this. Now you get a dedicated vertical layout where you can view your content the way it's meant to be seen. Tall, clean, and detailed. No more squeezing vertical video into a horizontal timeline. It just makes color grading, fine-tuning so much easier. It's finally built for the vertical era. Next, the AI Magic Mask 2. Bro, this one is crazy. You don't need to manually draw around your subject anymore. Just click once, drop a pointer, and boom. It automatically detects your subject and masks it out perfectly. It's fast, it's accurate, it makes complex masking feel like a one-click job. Now, for the audio editors out there, there's a new AI music remix tool. Let's say you have a track that's 45 seconds, but you need a 1-minute track for your video. Now, you can stretch or shrink the music to your preferred length and keep it sounding natural. No weird jumps or cuts. It feels like magic. Another audio feature I'm obsessed with is the beat selector. Now just right click on your audio track, hit show music bits, and DaVinci will automatically analyze the audio and mark the beats automatically on your timeline. That's right, no more manually tapping through the beats to sync your edits. I mean, that's a lifesaver out there. And finally, subtitles got a major glow up. Now you can generate subtitles automatically from your audio using AI. Just select your voice track, go into timeline, in AI tools, select create subtitles from audio. Just give it a second and it will create automatically all the subtitles from your voice. So if you guys have any questions or if you loved the video, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'm making a tutorial like video after a long time. So if you guys loved it, I can make more of this. So do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.